Welcome back to our Python series, and in this video we're going to learn about the list comprehension. So list comprehension is mainly used to reduce your program code. So how this will work? So let me show you the simple code first, and let me show you how we can implement list comprehension in this code. So here I'm going to create the simple program as like marks equal, and I'm going to put the multiple students marks, suppose here 5 student marks. Okay, now this is my marks list. Now I need to increase the two numbers in each numbers. Okay, how can I do it? So it's simple. I'm gonna use here the loop. I'm gonna create new list as like marks new, and then I'm gonna just make it empty. Then I'm gonna use here the for loop for I in marks, okay, column, and I need to use here simply new list name marks new dot append, and then we need to use here the I plus 2. Okay, and then I need to use here the print. I need to use here, and the print will, and I'm going to use here the marks new. Okay, here's the list. Now let me just run it, how this will work. And here we'll see the output will be like 12, 22, 32, 42 and 52. In all the list, that could increase the two numbers in each values. Now what I need to do, I want to use here the list comprehension so we can reduce our code. As you can see here, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line of code. Okay, now how we can make it in very few line? So simply I'm gonna just say here, this is another program. Go here, this is our list, and here I'm gonna create the new list, new, and here what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna use the list and put here I plus 2. Okay, then for loop will we go with I in marks, and I'm gonna just print it marks new. Let's run this, how this will work. As you can see, the same output you can see. So the both program have the same output, but now here we have only the 3 line of code, and in this code we have the 5 line of code. So that's the simplest way to use the list comprehension in Python. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.